What's up guys, it's Ben with Srkcycles, and today I've got a completely custom bike. It's right here behind me. It started out as a 2007 Harley-Davidson Softail, and it's been completely reconstructed. It actually has a special construction title here in the state of Pennsylvania. And let's take a quick walk around this thing because it's super cool. Oh, there you can see it there. Start back here. Actually, I'll spin this around. Here the back tire. Back tire's good to go. Plenty of tread there. Definitely would pass inspection, all those things. Got your rear fender here, come over the top. These rear fenders and front fender look to be like off a Road King, are very comparable. There you got the big like retro looking brake light. Here on the side, there is you can see the side of the wheel. It's got all the extra spokes. These wheels are super expensive if you ever looked into putting these on a bike. This bike is also air ride. So with the air ride, the white walls, the extra spoke tire, extra spoke wheels, it's a really good look. It's kind of like retro, but not too much, you know what I mean? Kind of an air to the old age, but still rocking and rolling. Got the hooker pipes. They're looking really good. One thing I want to point out on this bike was that it does have the passenger pegs, but no passenger seat. So whoever the person is riding passenger with you is not gonna have a seat. I don't even know if that's legal, so don't do it if it's not legal. There's your side cover. There's the seat. The seat's got a little bit of wear in here. You can see the white showing. It's not stressed out like it's gonna break apart. But it's just like it's been like slid over a bunch of times, and there is some stress here showing on the seat. But again, the seams are good. It's not busting up. It's good to go. This thing does have the S&S Super motor. It's 103 inch. It fires right up. We'll fire that up here in a minute. It sounds pretty cool. It sounds like it's been tuned well, other than a little bit of the backfire when you let off the throttle. There's your floorboards. There's your rear brake. Got your crash bars. Come up here up top, you can see the big apes. Looking awesome. I don't know what they are, but they're super high. I'm a tall guy, I got a big wingspan, and they're even high for me. Got the big headlight, kind of the Road King headlight, and it looks like the Road King front fender. All this chrome came right to life. All I did was wipe it down, it just really popped. Again, there's that matching front wheel with all the spokes. It's definitely a bigger wheel. Here on the front fender, there's a scratch right here. I definitely want you guys to see that. As far as an imperfection on the bike, there's one mark right there too. The rest of this is just kind of like dirt. It's like smudge marks. There's your front tire. Front tire is good to go. Got a lot of tread left there, a lot of miles. Jump over and we'll see the fork tube on this side. Again, really shined up well. No pitting, no rust, none of that. There's your single disc front brake. Again, there's the spoke wheels from this side. There's your crash bar. Here's the tank. So there are some marks here on the tank, like right in here. It's like a little grouping of them. Looks like maybe like a light chip. Not real gnarly, but this one right here is probably the worst one. You can actually see the light color there. But there is the rest of the tank is good. Got lots of good shape there. Got the pouch up top. Got your air cover. There is the rider floorboard. Got the toe shifter, heel shifter. If you guys heard me talk about it before, I'm a big fan of the heel shifter. There's a transmission. This belt drive goes back to the rear wheel. This bike does have airbags. Here's the controls here on the side. They're awesome. The rear suspension is not very forgiving if you're going over bumps. It's pretty solid. So with the customization, there is no controls up here on the handlebars. So the headlight switch is right down here, and actually this just did this to me as I was doing this video. This switch got messed up. So I'm either gonna get that fixed up, or you guys will know about that if you get this bike. So we'll keep on rolling to the back. You can see the seat from this side. Got this like little solo side bag, like toolkit thing going on. Definitely nice. You wanna throw a wallet or something in there. There's your passenger peg. There's the chrome belt guard. This thing shined right up. Again, I pointed out this little bit like retro looking tail light earlier, as well as the license plate mount here on the side. Come up over the top. See the seat again. See some of the stress marks in the seat. But again, they're not bursting apart. They're just there. There's the pouch. You know, throw your phone in there or whatever. Turn this thing on. See the neutral there. 14,332 miles. There will be a few more than that after, you know, I ride it. Some other guy, you know, we ride it here at the shop, and Sean does his test drive video. Make sure you check out the test drive video. It was up on YouTube. Come up here, you can see the handlebars. Got your single mirror. Got your throttle. This clutch, this is a big, heavy clutch. This thing, no joke, this feels like a front brake. And that's just what it is. So the starter is that little button right there. We're gonna fire it up. Turn that off. If you guys usually watch these videos, usually right about this time is when I come up here and I show you to do the turn signals. There is no turn signal controls. There are no turn signals on this bike. So if you're going to be riding this bike, you got to use hand signals. So yeah, that's just the way that is. This thing is super cool. I really enjoyed riding this thing. Do not miss out on this bike. It's going to go quick. It's a very unique look, and I'm glad to have this one in the shop. All right, thanks so much for watching, guys.